Hello students, it's me Muhammad Shafrin from Untanglex Learning Providers. I'll be dealing with the paper Management Accounting. So through this small video, I'm going to introduce the paper Management Accounting for you, and through this video we are going to tell about the syllabus of the paper, and we'll be discussing about the examination structure, then we'll be talking about few methods to tackle the paper. Also, I'll be telling the supports provided by Untanglex Learning Providers. Okay, so first of all, talking about the syllabus, we know that management accounting is having 5 parts, and the first part, that is the nature and purpose of management information. In this part we are going to talk about the management accounting principles and methods, and then we'll be talking about the cost classification, etc. And the next part, that is part B, it is the cost accounting techniques. Here we are going deeper into the cost accounting. We'll be learning about various methods of calculation of cost. Next thing is the budgeting techniques. Budgeting is always the calculation of the future, and we'll be learning about the budgeting and estimation and forecasting methods. And next part, that is standard costing. Standard costing is just comparing the budget and the actual result of the company and taking decisions accordingly. So we'll be studying deeply regarding standard costing. There is things like variances coming in the chapter. We'll be learning the calculation of that as well. And in the last part, that is a performance measurement. We are going to deal with the evaluation of a company's performance to look whether the company is in a position to continue its operations, or the company needs to take any big decisions. Okay, so this is the basic syllabus of management accounting, and we'll be going through this in the coming sessions. Okay, and now looking into the connections of the paper management accounting. Management accounting is a paper which is being connected with many other coming papers, that is performance management, the financial management, the advanced financial and performance management, and also the strategic business details. So there are many papers which is the next part of management accounting. So management accounting is a base for all these papers, so it is an important paper when looking into your ACCA journey. Okay, so now let's move on to the examination structure. When talking about the examination structure, the exam is having two sections, that is section A and B, and you know that it is a 100-mark examination. Is section A is having 70 marks, and section B is having 30 marks. So in section A you are having 35 objective test questions, OTQ questions, which is having 2 marks each, and in section B there is 3 multi-task questions, each of them having 10 marks, and you're having total 2 hours of examination. Every question is compulsory, and there is nothing like negative marking. Okay, now when looking into the question, section A can be tested from any area of the syllabus. In section A the entire syllabus can be tested, but when coming into section B you're having few priorities. That is, in section B the questions will be from budgeting techniques, standard costing, or from performance measurement. So these are the 3 topics from where section B will be tested. Okay, now when looking into few examples of questions, the first type of question is the multiple choice question, which is a normal type of question where you will have to pick out the right answer from the options given below. Next thing is the multiple response question. Here you will be, the question is like, for example, which 2 of the following are the benefit. So you will have to pick out more than one answer, and the thing to be careful here is that if you are selecting a single correct answer, you won't be getting any marks. So you should read the question very carefully before attending or before moving further. Next one is fill in the blanks. Here we will have to just calculate the answer and fill that answer in the blank. And next thing is the drop down list. This is another type of question where the answers will be given as a drop down list. We'll have to select the answer from that list appropriately. Okay, so these are examples of types of questions. Now let's move on to the conservative approach by Untanglex. We are going to uh, look deeply about the examination time management. So we told that we are having an exam of 2 hours, that is 120 minutes of 100 marks. So for each marks you are having 1.2 minutes, right? But we're telling you that just only take 1 minute per mark, and you will be having a 20 minutes extra after attending every questions. And in every examinations you are going to have some easy questions, some tough questions, surely. So if you're taking this strategy, then you will be having 15 to 20 minutes extra, and you can come back to the questions which you felt difficult at this extra time. Okay, so in examination, if you're having any questions, or if you're feeling any questions as difficult, you'll just skip those and try for the easy ones and gain confidence, and you'll be coming back to the questions which you left at this extra time. Okay, next one, that is how to tackle the paper management accounting. The first one is the making the concept clear. So this is the most important thing. We'll have to make the concept very clear, because management accounting is a paper which is very much conceptual. You are having many new concepts to learn here, so you should be very clear with the concept. Then only you can pick the right answer from options given. Next thing is be regular in studies and make notes. That's something you will have to do. You'll have to be regular in studies. Don't just hard work, you'll have to smart work for having the proper result. Okay, next one is continuous practice of questions. So you'll have to move, or you'll have to look into various and variety of questions in case of management accounting, because these are all concepts. So you will be looking into application of these concepts in various situations or scenarios. Okay, next thing is attending mock test. So this is also very important, because if you're attending the mock test, you'll be very familiar with the examination style or the question style. So in the examination hall, it won't be a big deal for you dealing with those questions. Next thing is referring past questions. So this also helps you to be familiar with the question paper. Next thing is the examination is a computer based examination, and as now the situation is worse as the COVID-19, you're having an examination that is ACCA remote invigilation exam. That is, you can attend your exam from your home itself using your premises. That is, I think that is very beneficial for you, and you will be getting your result instantly. Okay. Next thing is, when looking into the pass rates of management accounting, it is somewhat like 65 to 70, but when comparing to all other three papers, that is F1, 3 and 4, F2 is having a lower percentage. And I think that it is because F2 is having, or management accounting is having, many new topics. Most of the topics are new to you. That's why students are feeling difficult. And as it is a conceptual paper, some students, the method used by the students are not correct. They are not strong in the concept. They are just by hearting the things given. So that's a problem. So that's the thing about the pass rate of management accounting. Now, when looking at the supports provided by the Untanglex, we'll be providing you with the video lectures which you can hear, or which you can watch at any time, and we'll be providing the online questions or doubt clearing sessions, where after watching the videos you can if you're having any doubts, you can query it here in the live sessions. And next thing is the mock examination. You will be provided with mock examinations, and in your video lectures itself you will be given many questions, and you will be practicing these questions while you're learning, and you'll be definitely able to tackle the paper very much easily. And Entanglex is providing a 24/7 service, and also will be updating the ACCAs. Every update will be given to you, and guys, you just use, or you just make use of all the facilities. That's it, and I hope that you'll be having a prosperous result. So we can see in the class sessions. That's all, guys. Thank you.